At the stroke of midnight, when India was gearing up to mark its 78th Independence Day, the streets of Kolkata witnessed unprecedented scenes. It started with a movement called Reclaim the Night, when women, men and youngsters came out in large numbers with banners, conch and slogans in solidarity with the 31-year-old deceased rape victim of the R.G. Kar Medical Hospital. A protest that was meant to shake the conscience of the system. A protest to send a message against injustice and depravity. But suddenly things took a dangerously violent turn when goons and thugs, hundreds in number, hijacked the protest for justice and unleashed a wave of violence in the hospital, where the 31-year-old was brutalized. Armed with iron rods, they barged into the hospital and just went on a complete rampage. They attacked vehicles, damaged public property in front of the police, which seemed to be clearly overnumbered. The violent mob barged into the emergency building and resorted to violence in 3 floors of the building. The police had to use tear gas shells to disperse the violent mob. Several cops were injured in the violence. While it is still not clear who's behind the mob violence, BJP leader Suvendu Adhikari alleged that Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee sent goons to disrupt the apolitical protest rally near the hospital. Watch the violence, this violent video. Well, these are visuals from inside the hospital premise, and in the visuals you can see the goons vandalizing the hospital property. They were carrying iron rods and sticks. All of this happened when the apolitical protest was taking place, demanding justice for the victim and a safe and secure environment for all the practicing resident doctors. These goons came from nowhere, entered the hospital premise and started damaging the property. So this was how violence was unleashed both outside and inside the hospital when Reclaim the Night movement or protest was taking place. The police who were present on the spot, clearly outnumbered, were silently watching the violence being unleashed. Times Now's Adrija and Pooja have in fact filed reports from the R.G. Kar Medical Hospital to show you the extent of violence, to document how all of this happened. Look at the reports that shows what the hospital looks like after the midnight mayhem. Times Network's Pooja Mehta has highlighted through her report that the attackers came well prepared and damaged CCTV footage of the emergency room where they unleashed havoc last night. Take a look.
बीती रात को आरजीकर अस्पताल में जिस तरह से दंगाइयों और उपद्रवियों ने हमला किया, सवाल उठता है कि किस उद्देश्य से जो है इस पूरे हमले को अंजाम दिया गया। क्या सबूत मिटाने की कोशिश की जा रही थी? क्योंकि हम फिलहाल उसी इमरजेंसी वार्ड में हैं और हम आपको एक अहम तस्वीर दिखाते हैं। आप देखिए, यहाँ पर ये एक सीसीटीवी कैमरा है, उसे तोड़ दिया गया है। तो जो दंगाई यहाँ पर पहुंचे थे, जिन्होंने यहाँ पर पूरे जो है तोड़फोड़ मचाई, इस स्ट्रेचर को देखिए उल्टा दिया गया है और यहाँ पर जो बेड है, जो रैक है, ये तमाम चीजों को क्षति पहुंचाई है। लेकिन अगर कोई एक चीज जो बेहद महत्वपूर्ण है वो ये है कि जहां जहां ये दंगाई और उपद्रवी पहुंचे और तोड़फोड़ मचाई, वहां पर उन्होंने जो है किस तरह से सीसीटीवी कैमरों को जो है पूरी तरीके से नष्ट कर दिया। आप मेरे हाथ में देख पा रहे होंगे, ये एक और इस इमरजेंसी रूम का सीसीटीवी कैमरा है। तो ये इससे जो लोग अंदर घुस आए थे और जिन्होंने ये तोड़फोड़ मचाई, उनकी शनाख्ती होनी बेहद मुश्किल है। और यहाँ पर उसका जो इलेक्ट्रिकल कनेक्शन होता है, उसे भी यहाँ पर आप देखिए तोड़कर जो है पूरा नष्ट कर दिया गया है। ऐसे में सवाल उठता है कि क्या ये कोई प्री प्लान्ड अटैक था? क्योंकि जब उन्होंने ये तमाम जो शीशे हैं और इस वार्ड में तोड़फोड़ मचाई, सब कुछ तोड़फोड़ कर जो है नष्ट कर दिया, लेकिन एक चीज उन्होंने सुनिश्चित की कि इस पूरे वार्ड में और जहां जहां पर सीसीटीवी कैमरे लगे हुए थे, उसे तोड़कर जो है नष्ट कर दिया गया। ऐसे में जब पुलिस अपनी जांच को आगे बढ़ाएगी तो किस तरह से उन लोगों की शनाख्ती की जाएगी, इस पर सवाल उठ रहे हैं। क्योंकि अब तक जो है लोगों को आइडेंटिफाई करना बेहद मुश्किल होगा बिना सीसीटीवी फुटेज के।
Right now inside the emergency department, and you can see things are thrown apart, things are broken, glasses are shattered, electronic tube lights are broken, MCBs are broken, and this, remind you once again, is the emergency department. The emergency department that has been functional, that has been giving treatment to the patients at a time when doctors are doing protests, that doctors are suspending work across various departments, OPDs are shut off in several hospitals. You see this entire place vandalized by a mob coming late at night inside the campus of RGकर Hospital. As we walk ahead, we will see, you can see here also, the walls have been vandalized as well. There is another room which has again been vandalized. Things are all thrown apart. There's a fridge which might have had certain medicines in it. Everything brought out, everything thrown apart. Here, medical supplies are, seen lying on the floor at the moment, because of course the mob came in and they had vandalized the entire place. Medicines are lying on the floor, medical supplies are lying on the floor. The entire ground floor had to be shut down completely.
The guard of RGकर Medical College, who was present last night when the violence took place, claims that there were more than 500 vandals who charged towards the hospital and destroyed everything, including CCTVs.
एक बजने का करीब कम से कम 5 से 1000 लोग आ गया वहाँ पर। तोड़ फोड़ हम लोग किया, यहाँ पर गेट हम लोग लॉक कर दिया, तो गेट तोड़ दिया। हम लोग दूसरा गेट पे चला गया, वो गेट भी तोड़ दिया, वो गेट भी तोड़ दिया। जितना आदमी आया हम लोग 10 बार अपनी पुलिस दे, हम लोग नहीं सके, हम लोग चला गया अंदर में। अब तोड़ फोड़ करने लगे।
इमरजेंसी जो परिसेवा है यहाँ की, ये सारी तोड़ दिया कल।
पूरा तोड़ दिया, कुछ नहीं है, कुछ नहीं बचा हुआ वहाँ पर। ना कंप्यूटर बचा है, ना कोई मेडिसिन बचा है। सिस्टर लोग का घर में घुसा, वो सब मेडिसिन तोड़ दिया। चेयर टेबल जो है, कंप्यूटर है, सब कुछ तोड़ दिया। एक भी नहीं है, कोई भी चीज अच्छा नहीं है, सब तोड़ दिया। ये लोग तो मिसिल करके आया, अंदर में घुस गया। अरे कौन है पहचाना?
सीसीटीवी भी लगी हुई थी,
सीसीटीवी भी तोड़ दिया। एक भी सीसीटीवी नहीं है, सीसी कैमरा जितना है सब तोड़ दिया।
So you you heard the guard who said they destroyed everything that came in their way. The police, which is facing questions over law and order, has also released pictures of cops who were injured in last night's violence. But Kolkata Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal has chosen to blame the media for the violence. Instead of ensuring foolproof security, Kolkata Police Commissioner criticized the media and said violence unfolded because media allegedly indulged in negative campaign. He also went on to say that the police never said there's only one accused in this case. Police is also seeking information from the public on the attackers. So far, 9 people have been arrested and 15 cops have been injured. Listen in to what Kolkata Police Commissioner Vineet Goyal said.
What has happened here is because of the media, the wrong media campaign, which has been malicious media campaign which is going as far as Calcutta Police is concerned. What has Calcutta Police not done? In this case, they have done everything.
So you heard the Police Commissioner of Kolkata, Vineet Goyal, talking about the manner in which the vandalism happened, also blaming the media, saying that the media did wrong campaign. A malicious media campaign is running, which is going around as far as the Kolkata police is concerned. What has the Kolkata police not done? He was also pointing out measures taken by the Kolkata police in the investigation. But remember, it's not the media, but the family members, the relatives, the doctors who are sitting on protest, and even the High Court of Calcutta that has pointed out the lapses and posed tough questions to the cops and the state government as well.